In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily select multiple photos on TikTok. This feature allows you to choose several photos at once, making it simpler to create engaging and dynamic content for your TikTok videos. To get started, open up the TikTok app, and then tap on the plus icon at the bottom center. After that, tap Upload. To select multiple photos on TikTok, simply tap on this empty circle next to Select Multiple. Once you've put a checkmark on it, you can now tap and select several photos at once on TikTok. And tap on the next button to create your TikTok video. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.